Snake movement is also sensual, especially during courtship. Although the battle between males can become very intense, they never injure or bite each other. In some cases, courting can be convoluted. It's early spring, and a female has attracted a mate. He responds to her pheromones, sexual chemicals exuded from between her scales. To stimulate her, he nuzzles his chin along her body. His caresses are successful, and he frantically searches with his tail. All male snakes have two penises. Depending upon position, they can insert either one.
You're the cream in my coffee,